G'day everyone, this is Scott, the King Dingaling bee guy, and I've got little Dingaling
Hey girl.
and Miss Dingaling. Apparently she's the Queen Dingaling. Right, so we're gonna do an inspection because last time when we did it we found a wax moth and some hive beetles, and we've also found chalk brood.
Hang on. That bug can easily just fall right back down. You're dickhead for grabbing it by
Oh, being called a dickhead already.
the... Keep getting your something.
Now they get angry.
Yeah, you've upset their ducks.
Did I actually?
No, I don't think you actually did upset their ducks.
If you want me to.
Oh, look at my little dingaling.
Okay, go to the front. Watch out for these. Actually, I'm going to put this on the other side. You're more likely to.
No.
Kanakawa, can you go to the front with the smoker?
Over here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, a bee!
Baby.
What? A bee on the floor.
Okay. Can we get this party started?
Why
Yeah,
is there so many bees on the floor?
All right, so these
Oh,
have
have you
not
got a
been
knife?
touched. I do have a knife.
Oh, and I got a knife.
I can't touch any bees.
These
Okay.
ones have not been touched.
That one's having got stuff.
Michaela?
What?
I haven't even started on them.
There's so many bees on the floor. Dad, look how many bees are on the floor over there.
Yeah, there's a few. But remember,
Oh, even more.
there's not too many. I only had 3 or 4.
I'm just getting it ready, okay?
Okay. Remember, there's hundreds of bees being born every day too, Michaela.
Get out of here, fly.
Yeah, tell her to fly.
You don't
Oh, we
deserve
should
to
also
be
mark which
here.
ones had the problem in it too. Like put a
Oh, is
dot.
that what they said?
Yeah, put a dot on it. Hey, little dingling, can you do some videoing? Just put that down. And video mum. And tell people what mum's doing.
Where's the smoker? Hang on. You guys are going to leave the smoker by the hive. It's doing a job. Okay?
Mommy's smoking the bees. There's the smoker.
Am I smoking the bees, Michaela?
Yes.
Oh God, you're such a good little videographer. Jeez.
And now she's taking out the thing. I don't know.
Alright.
Now you can take it.
Thank you. You can go back to your smoking duties.
And don't step on any of the bees.
Yeah.
Trying to step on the bees. They might not like that.
There's bees everywhere on the floor. I don't want to step on any.
What'd you find, Dom?
I nearly
Nothing.
stepped
It's just
on
my
one.
first time without
Yeah.
gloves.
I was right here and look. I was
So I'm
like
just
this.
trying.
Ooh, look at them all.
But Dad, I was like this. Look, there's a bee there.
Ooh, look at the honey in there.
Dad. Look.
Yes, darling, I am listening. I am
But
looking.
I nearly stepped on this bee right here.
Well, don't step on him.
Yep, so this one is like a honey frame. Lots and lots of honey.
I don't think I can get to it.
I don't see anything
Now,
weird.
remember, grab the smoker from the back.
No.
Alright. Put that one back in. And then we'll put this 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 one back
My
Nice
hand.
and gentle.
I don't want to touch it.
I must say, it is so much easier grabbing those frames without those gloves in the way. Okay?
Very good.
So much easier.
Right away.
Hey, Smokey G!
Yeah.
Can you bring him back here? Okay, back to the front. It just needs to sit. While we're in the hive, Michaela, it needs to sit at the front so the bees have got that constant waft of smoke coming. So when you're not puffing at them, just leave it.
Oh, I have too many bees.
Don't tell the little dingaling what to do. Poor little dingaling. Oop, what's Mum got here?
Everybody's head's in there, gorging.
They're gorging.
Honey, I think there's a fire. That's what the smoke does, right? That's why they become calm. Really, what they become is hungry.
So every time we do this, they eat all our honey supplies.
No, they don't. It's not our supplies. Everything in the brood box is for the bees.
I'm just getting it ready.
Well, I don't see any hive beetles, and I don't
There's a
see.
vibrating, buzzing bee here. That's usually him telling other bees. See this one here? He's vibrating and buzzing. That's him giving directions to other bees on where to find pollen or nectar.
Who is
That's what I've seen before in a video anyways.
it? Who is it?
There's a lot of buzzing.
Let me see.
Buzzing and dancing.
See these guys? Yep.
Oh, yep. Is the queen on that one?
No.
We'll have a look.
I just want to grab one.
Why? All right, dingaling.
Okay, well, I gotta actually have a look-see.
I want to touch the bee. But I don't know if it has a stinger or not.
It's funny how they seal them all up.
Down. Okay, I'm coming in.
All right.
Don't squish them back, Scott. You're gonna squish bees.
I can squish them back.
Alright, here we go.
It's amazing how they get the wax in between the frames to glue them back together. Oh, look at all the little larvae.
Where's
Can you
the...
see them?
Yeah.
Wait, I want to see the...
See all the,
You see it? Dad's showing you where all the
see all
little
the
bee babies are.
see all the bee babies?
Now, if we're finding brood, this is normally where we would see the queen.
So that's where you normally see the bee?
The queen. So we're looking for Queen Anna.
Queen Anna, where is
I
that?
think I just saw her. I don't know.
Stay out. Stay out of the way, bees. Stay out of the way. We're just gonna break.
Oh, I thought that was Queen Anna, but it wasn't. Ooh. Oh,
What's Mum looking at?
Just saying, I see the queen, which I haven't spotted her, so we'll put that one back. I think everything's looking pretty good. Like I said, I haven't seen any hive beetles. Anything, huh? Can we get some smoking?
Why?
Okay. There's something angry buzzing around my head. It might just be a fly.
No, they're angry around us, but the hive looks calm.
Yeah, just do a couple of puffs in the air, Mikhail. You don't have to touch the hive.
See the
Puff
bees
in the air.
around us? They're like,
Yeah, a bit closer, Michaela. I've got some angry ones looking to sting me in the face.
okay.
Okay, puff at Mum. Mum, just puff Mum. Puff Mum. Thank you. Just give me a puff. That's what I'm asking for.
No.
Good job, Puffer.
We're on this one now?
Yep, that was the one that had the wax moth. I'm sure last time.
Sorry, I gotta come up on the sleeping.
They came over from you. Oh, I think I see the Queen Anna.
Where?
Oh, I think I lost her.
There she is.
Did you spot her?
Yeah, we found her.
It's Queen Anna.
Queen Anna. She's coming down.
Yep.
Turn it around, Mom. She's at the bottom.
Oh, well then maybe I can see her. Is she gonna come this way?
Not yeah, maybe.
Oh, she's. Oh.
I'm gonna spin her. Oh, yeah. There she is. Oh, wow, she's a long queen.
Everything on this side looks pretty good too.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any sort of wax moth.
Need a
I
little
think
puff to make it get going.
they're doing really, really good. No, you don't need to give them a puff. Okay, I think they're good. They're quite calm today.
Yeah.
I'm just going to puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff,
Yeah,
Alright.
just puff the air, that's it.
puff.
Okay, can you puff my sleeve, Michaela?
Oh, there's one on your sleeve.
Yeah, it's okay. Can you just puff around me, please? Yeah, give me a good puff.
Oh, it flinged off.
Like, puff me.
Puff, puff, puff,
Come
puff.
on, like, puffy. Thank you, good.
Ooh,
What?
what are you burning in that? Sugar cane mulch.
Well, they haven't started on the new frames, which is okay. I don't know how long.
Well, they're still filling in the other ones, so.
Yeah. This one's mostly empty. Yeah. Looks like there's some nectar building and honey going on here. How's yours looking on your side?
This side looks good.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that shouldn't be here. It's not like that a week ago, hey?
Yes.
A week ago was a bit concerning. I think this is actually looking really good. Like they've cleaned house, huh?
Yes.
This looks really good. I mean, for a novice who doesn't know what they're really looking at. But I think if you go into your hive and you don't have to say, what's that? That's pretty good. All right. We're going to squish them back up. So, Michaela, we're going to need you to puff the edges. Sorry.
Oop, what's that guy doing? Tail feather dance.
Puff over here, Michaela. And puff around Mama, but it's clinging around.
Ruby!
Okay, hang on. Michaela, can I have the puffy? Sorry, I gotta specifically while I'm pushing these together. Just so I don't crush anything.
I'm going to come back. Bye.
Don't you want to start from this one and go all the way? Like start from this one and then you can just keep...
No, they gotta be pushed all to the middle. You don't give spacing on that side.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, so you fill up the frames and you leave the extra spacing to the edges.
Yeah, but you got to put a frame in there.
Yeah, so we gotta push them all to the middle and have frame on this
But
extra
you've got to
frame
pull
goes
them
here.
towards me.
Oh, you know what I'm just trying to do right now?
No.
Is if these are all together, I don't have to worry about crushing the bees, okay? That's all I'm
Alright.
trying to do.
You know what you're doing. I wouldn't know what to do, but I'd do it differently.
What the heck would you do?
I would start from this one and push them all and just keep sliding them.
That's what I'm doing. I'm sliding them that way. This frame went here. No, but you keep pushing ones that I've pushed together. You keep separating them. I'm pushing them all together. Now I don't have to worry about bees in these spots here. But you keep pushing them away. Just have that gap sealed spot.
You watch it.
I don't think anything was in there. I think we're good.
The other way, Buster.
Slowly. You got a bum in there now?
Yep, he's in there.
Get
There
out.
we go.
There we go. Okay, I think that's pretty good. We get this frame back in, and then we just gotta even out the sides. Okay, that's in, and then we bring it this way. Because some guy was saying on the Flow Hive site, saying you can actually fit an extra one of these in, but then it was just jam-packed tight, and they said it's going to be too hard to do inspections. And you're only supposed to have this many frames, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's good. I'm happy we can seal it up. Here, how was that for time?
Beautiful. 17 minutes. Oh,
Next time, do not pull it up by this. That's not secure.
looks secure.
Oh, they might have. Oh yeah, they popularized that shut.
No flies in there.
No,
I wonder what would happen if a fly got stuck in there.
they'd soon kick them out. Oh, and the rain just started. Couple drops. You feel that?
Yep, I can see him on the...
Oh, how's that for good timing?
Excellent.
Awesome.
Now, we still haven't put oil in those feet yet.
No, we haven't. We can do that now.
Beautiful job. Thank you for watching the King Dingalings.
Ding-a-ling show.
Have a wonderful day and be happy. Bzzz.